Hey guys, welcome. So the first thing that we need to do to start a project is to sign up for some type of API service because we need to send SMS messages. And the best way to do that is it would be to use some type of company, right? Because we can't do that just by using raw um, code. We need some type of API, something that has a number that we use that number to send a message to somebody else that has another number, right? So we need those services. Now, Twilio is the one that I'm using for this course. They're very good, and one of the reasons I'm using them, besides that they're so good, is how easy it is to use in the back end, and also that they offer you a free trial. They offer us a free trial. They give us a balance in our accounts that we can use to send messages. Okay, so go ahead and sign up for it. That's the first thing that you need to do. Sign up, put your name, your last name, the email, and a password that's over 14 characters in this case. Okay? So once you sign up, you're going to get an email that's going to say something like this. It's going to say, verify. Make sure that you click on that link. And when you click on that link, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Okay? Now, they might change the way the page looks, but that's basically the same steps. They're always going to make it confirm. Okay. So we verify the email. It says the email has been verified. I'm using some bogus emails that I just created. And well, that email, I've been having that email for a long time. I just get a lot of spam there. For those of you that want to contact me, you can always go to edwindiaz.com or send me a message through whatever platform you're looking at this video from. Okay. Or go to the contact page right here on my blog. Don't use that bogus email because I would never see the message. Anyway, so he asks us to verify our email. We did that already. He's asking us to verify a phone number. Now, this is gonna work for United States. Okay, if I put my number there, it's gonna send me a text. It's gonna send me a text with a code. Okay, and when I click verify, of course, we're gonna go to a page where I can verify that code. But you can see here that it has other countries as well. So it might have your country. Okay, they might be able to send you a link to your country if you find it here. Okay, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a number that I got, a Google Voice number. And for those of you that for some reason have a problem with your country, you can get a free Google Voice number. So you just type in here free Google free number. Okay, and then you just get your number, and once you get your number, then you put it there just in case you have a problem, getting this verification code in your country, just in case. I already have a Google number that I'm using, and I'm just gonna put it right there. Okay, now for those of you that send me text on that, this is, let me see, text on this number is not going to work. Okay, because I won't see it. I don't check that number. I'm not gonna blur this out either, so you're welcome to do that. Don't do it though. It says invalid format 777. And let's just put another here. Verify. And now it sent me a code that I have to get. And that's exactly something very similar that we are going to do in this course as they're doing right here. Okay, as you saw in the intro video. So I got the code in my Google number here. See it? I got a text message here. All right. All right, sorry about that. I'm gonna paste that in there and I'm gonna click submit. Yes, I write code. I want my preferred language to be, in this case, PHP, but you have other ones there. I'm just going to skip dashboard. You can click these links here and just gonna guide you through some of the things. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a summary here or a brief explanation real quick about this interface. First of all, you're gonna see that we have a balance there. Now it says get trial number. You want to click on this link here. Okay, and now it's giving me a number. I can choose that number or search for something that's closer to where I live. Okay, you can search for a number here. You click there, it's gonna give you this page, and you can start playing around with that. But I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna click back, and I'm just gonna get whatever number they give me. It doesn't matter to me. Okay, now I have this number that I can use. I'm gonna click done. Once you have that, now you have your number. Okay, now these are the most important things here. Your number, because that's the number that you're gonna use in your application to be sending messages, you know. So from this number, you're gonna send messages to another number. Then you're gonna have your account SID. Okay, and your token here. If I click show, it's gonna show me that code there. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna do it here because I'm going to delete this account after I show you. Okay, and if you click here, all the services that they have, you have a lot of information. I welcome you to check on this. Here you can look at all the numbers you got. You can have more than one. Okay, this is our number right now. It's coming from San Antonio, Texas. If I click on the number, we get more options about that number. Webhooks. But anyway, I want to show you the most important things here. This is the usage area here. So every time you use your API, you're gonna see some of the usage here. Okay. Let me see. There was something else that I wanted to show you. Let me see. Tools and APIs. All right, APIs. So here you can create your APIs. All right. And your test credentials, very important, because you can use this instead of the original number, the real one, so that way you don't spend your balance. You want to use your balance for real stuff, so you can use this for testing, this and this, instead of using this tool here. Okay, but anyway, we'll see how that works later on. For those of you that for some reason run out of this balance, if you run out of this, you can always go to edwindiaz.com and try to see if I have some type of special that can save you money on the Twilio account. Okay, sometimes these companies give me free stuff and I pass it to you guys. Okay, or give me really discounted stuff and I just put it here on edwindiaz.com and resources. Okay, or just reply to one of my blogs here, guys, and say hi. Anyway, I'll see you in the next lecture, guys. Take care.